Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the document and immediately save a backup so you can revert if needed. Next, go to the Review tab and enable Show Markup so every insertion, deletion, and formatting change is visible. Make sure All Reviewers is selected. This reveals changes from everyone, which you need to inspect. Once done, scan quickly to identify change clusters and comments. This saves time when accepting or rejecting later, and prevents missed edits from hiding in collapsed views. Now you work through the edits. Use the Accept and Reject buttons in the review. Right arrow changes group to process, changes one at a time, so you control content decisions. If the document is clean and reviewed, click the Accept dropdown and choose Accept all changes in document to remove tracking in one action. If comments remain, resolve or convert them to text before accepting. Make sure you review tracked formatting separately, because Accept all might hide stylistic issues you still need to adjust. Finish by switching track changes off in the Review tab so no new edits are recorded. This prevents accidental future markup. Then pick Simple Markup or No Markup to confirm the document looks correct and save the finalized file. If edits still appear after accepting, show All Markup again and recheck. Sometimes Accept operations miss revisions in headers, footers, or tracked properties. If that happens, accept those sections separately and save another backup to lock the clean version.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.